Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to charge a Fitbit Sense smartwatch. This will be an easy step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you'll need is your Fitbit Sense smartwatch and your charger. Now, my charger right here is actually attached to a power brick, which is plugged into the wall right there. So make sure that your charger is actually plugged in, okay? I know it seems obvious, but lots of people try and charge their devices and their power brick is not plugged in, or their charger is not plugged in to the appropriate unit, and it causes the device not to charge. It causes problems. So make sure it's plugged in. That's the first step. Now you'll notice on your charger right here, on this side right here, it has the Fitbit logo. It's kind of hard to see until I put it in the proper light, okay? And on this side right here, it has these 4 connectors, okay? Now these 4 connectors actually line up with the 4 connectors that you see on the corners over here of the inside of the Fitbit Sense smartwatch, this advanced health smartwatch. Now the coolest thing about this is that it only goes on in one direction. And I believe this is the wrong direction, I believe. So if I try and put it on in this way, it's gonna, like, some people try and do this and they think it's not working, right? They say it's not lining up. Don't force it. There's a magnet in there. So if you put it on in the wrong direction, it's not gonna let you put it on. So as you can see right now, it's forcing it off because it's the wrong way. The magnets are forcing it off, okay? So if it doesn't go on easily, magnetically, then it's the wrong way. So you wanna alter the orientation, excuse me, and then it'll go on automatically. Check that out, just like that, and we're charging. You can pull it off just as easily. You can put it back on, charging, just like that. So to charge it, you want to make sure you're making good contact. If you ever have a problem charging, you want to also take a look at the actual prongs and the ports and make sure everything looks clean, because I've seen some dirt build up on other Fitbit Sense smartwatches and it causes problems with the charging from time to time, right? So just keep it clean and you should be good to go. I mean, you do wear this on your wrist, it's bound to get dirty. But for the most part, you know, it's really easy. It just snaps into place magnetically and it's charging just like that, and then it pulls off, magnetically charging just like that. That is how to charge a Fitbit Sense advanced health smartwatch. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.